I am super excited. It's been a day full of activities. It's been an evening full of extremely fun, not just fun moments, but active moments with various teams in terms of our mixed martial arts, in terms of our, fitness regime, in terms of the games that we've played on the court. We've actually played more than 6 sports today. We started with pickleball, and talking about pickleball, I think it's been a very emotional moment for me playing pickleball on the court because about 5 months back I was introduced to this sport. It's a funner version of tennis. That's how I have been referring to it. It's not that intense. It's less intense than tennis. It's a fusion of badminton, table tennis, and mixture of that. And why is it an emotional moment? Because I played this game about 5 months back. I was introduced to it in Santa Barbara, California. One of my friends introduced me to it, and I was like, "What the hell is pickleball?" And जब मैंने खेलना शुरू किया, it's an addictive sport. You get on the court and you don't want to leave the court. तो मुझे लगा ठीक है वापसी में आई थॉट दैट आई विल पिक अप सम रैकेट्स एंड आई विल कम एंड इंट्रोड्यूस माय फ्रेंड्स टू दिस गेम पर मैं नहीं लेके आ पाई दे वर लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव देयर बट व्हेन आई केम आई नेवर न्यू दैट आई एम गोना बी इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दिस गेम हियर in the heart of Gurugram, right next to Cyber Hub at My Tribe. So My Tribe is the place to be, the place where we are not just introducing new sports, but we are also trying to build a community of people who just, want to just be on the court or get on the mats and just have fun while they are also staying fit. So it is just not about building athletes, it is also about making sports accessible to our generation, younger generation, and a lot of other people across all ages actually, because just like music breaks barriers, sports also tends to break a lot of barriers and get people together. So here today on 30th of March, I want to sort of introduce and unveil My Tribe. It's basically a platform wherein we are taking sports a step closer to people who would want to play games, who would want to enroll into various programs and just connect. Yeah, just connect over. I think gone are those days when people are connecting over drinks or partying. I think a lot of our generation is also wanting to connect over games, connect over a game of pedal tennis, connect over soccer, and people after the corporate hours, they just want to, get to the field and get dirty and sweat it out. So this is the best place to be, guys. Be here, and this is the time also. If you have ignored your fitness and health since a long time, why not take it up today? And My Tribe.